We saw this example in the previous video where we had to give this bench a unique identity. To give it a unique identity, we needed three things: a reference point, a horizontal line, and a vertical line. Let's see how we actually use these three things. Let this be our reference point. We draw a horizontal line from this reference point. Then we draw a vertical line which will be perpendicular to this horizontal line. We will need some numbers to denote the columns. So we mark 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on in equal intervals. Similarly, on the vertical line, we mark 1, 2, 3, 4 with the same interval length as we had on the horizontal line. There is no limit on the numbers we can mark on the horizontal and the vertical lines. So we mark these arrows at the end of the lines. Most importantly, the reference point will be the number 0. Now if we have any point in the region, we can easily give it an identity based on the numbers we have marked. But wait, what if the point is here? How would you give it an identity? It's simple. We just extend this line to the left and this line downwards. Let's zoom out a bit and modify this diagram slightly. We draw the horizontal line like this. Notice that it has arrows on both its ends. The vertical line is drawn like this, again with arrows at both its ends. We extended the horizontal line to the left and the vertical line downwards. Now, no matter where you place the point on the plane, you will be able to give it a unique identity. We cannot keep calling these lines horizontal and vertical every time, so we name them. We generally call the horizontal line x-x. It is also referred to as the horizontal axis or the x-axis. Instead of calling it a line, we use a more sophisticated term called axis. That's all. And yes, it is commonly referred to as the x-axis. Similarly, we call the vertical line y-y. It is called the vertical axis or the y-axis. And what do we call the reference point? We name it O and it is referred to as the origin. But how do we number this part and this part of the axis? We will cover that in another video.